Opening?
Beautiful people, what's happening? It's Nancy and MJ from Tales from a Tesla. Hi. We're opening up a new gift. I won't call it a gift, it's a gift to ourselves. We got tired of, we have to move cars back and forth in order to charge.
Yeah, look at how the cars are sitting.
So yeah, if I want to charge, I got to move to that side. If she wants to charge, she has to move to that side because the charger, I'm gonna go around here. Our charger is back here. There's our charger. And unfortunately, the charging cable is not that long. So this cable will not reach all the way around to the other car. So I saw on a video this cable. And so here is the charging Tesla cable. We got this from Target, and there we go.
You bought this from Target?
I bought it from Target offline.
Oh my gosh.
And the company is called Electron. So Nancy is going to do the honors of opening it up.
Oh goodness.
And this video is going to be a bit longer than we normally would use. So this is brand new. We have never used this before. Got it? You need any help? So this is just like the regular charging cable, but this is an extension cable. Now, the only problem with this cable that I saw on the video, they said that you can't use the button on the outside in order to take the charge off. So right here, we take this off. This button right here will not work. You have to manually do it from the car. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it up and see how it works. All it does is an extension. And it looks like it's actually thicker than the Tesla cable. Yeah. So Nancy, if you want to go, we're going to go straight to the car. So I'm going to pull this out. This is about as far as the cable will go. So this cable won't reach over to Nancy's car. So.
Oh, we have to cut a few things. Be right back.
All right. Now, what I'm trying to see is if this cable will still allow you to do the 48 amp charging that we have right now. They said that it will, but we'll see. So Nancy will be back in just a second here. Like I said before, so if you click the button right here, see your door will open. I call it a door. Duh. The charging door will open. But on this cable, that button won't work. All right, so here we go.
So what am I doing?
It's heavier?
Yeah, it is heavier.
All right, you want to switch up and let me...
So, but what are we doing?
So we're going to pop that open. Nope. Sorry about that, folks. Now pull that open. Pull that. Yep. There you go.
And then I'm going to...
Wow, folks, you just broke the charger.
I didn't broke it. I just dumped it on the ground.
Broke it. All right, folks. So wait a minute. So here we go. All we do is they say you just connect it. All right. So now I'm going to take the other part. Hand me that part. And now they say that it won't open. So as you see, I'm pressing the button. It's not opening. So what I'm going to do, if you want to hold the phone for a second, hold it right there. It's going to open up your car.
Folks, he's having a good time. You got it?
Sure, give me a second.
It's probably because you don't have my phone. There we go.
There you go.
Putting it in.
All right, we see it's blinking. And it's charging. So now let's go and see
what the car says.
If we're getting 48 amps. And we do not own the rights to the song that's playing in the background. I am just getting in the car. So let me turn that off. And let's see. Looks like it says we're charging. So there you have it, folks.
Hey, it works. Woohoo!
There's a cable. It was at 47 amps, but now it's at 48, and it looks like it is charging. And so we will make another video to let you know how it's working. So it said that it is charging. So we will see tonight and see how long it takes. That's all. Tales from a Tesla. Real life, real fun.